Hey, what's up guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you for clicking my video. In this tutorial we shall be looking at how to live stream mobile games on TikTok. Yes, this time around we shall be looking at how you can easily live stream all your favorite mobile games on TikTok. So I will need you to pay attention and follow me step by step. The method of teaching you guys today is very simple, so you need not to root to device, and also this works in every country, so it doesn't matter your location. Now before we start, if today happens to be your first time on this channel, just subscribe and also turn on the notification icon and be part of this wonderful family, so that anytime I upload a new video you might be the first person to watch it. Now without wasting much time, let's get started. Now in the first place, all you need to do is to open your app store, your Play Store. Now once you open your app store, your Play Store, all you need to do is to just search for your TikTok application over here. Now once you search for your TikTok application, just update your TikTok. So if your TikTok application is not updated, you need to make sure you update it to the latest version. So make sure you update your TikTok application. Now once you have updated your TikTok application, just go ahead and then open your TikTok over here. Now you can see my TikTok profile over here. I have more than 50k plus followers, so you need to make sure you have enough followers to do this. So click on your profile over here, and once you click on your profile, you can see at the top here, you can see three lines at the top right corner. Click on that and click on settings and privacy. Now once you click on settings and privacy, all you need to do is to just scroll, and you can see free app space. You need to make sure you click on that and you clear cache and download of your so clear cache, so that you can have enough storage for your live stream. Then you go back, then you can see data saver. You need to make sure you are not on data saving mode, so if this toggle is on, you need to make sure you turn it off. Now once you are done, just go back and you can see the plus sign in the middle. Click on that. Now scroll to where you can see live. Now once you click on live, you can see mobile gaming. We have device camera, we have mobile gaming, and also live studio. This time around we are going to use the mobile gaming. And now with this, you have to select your game, and you can see all your favorite games over here. You can see Devil May Cry, Peak of Combat. You can see new game. There are new games. You can see eFootball 2024. So select the game that you want to play over here. So just select the game you want to play. So if your game is not here, just click on other game, and then make sure you select the resolution, being it a portrait or landscape. Then once you have selected your game, you can see this is what I was talking about. If your game is in the portrait mode, just select portrait or landscape mode. This is for those who selected other games. But if your game is here, automatically when you select the game, it will take you to that resolution, being it a landscape or portrait mode. So click on settings, and you can see you can choose to select a moderator over here. So this is very simple about me gift, live gift. So this is very simple, and you can see comment settings. You can you can just set your filter comment. This is very simple, and you can see over here other options. You can select your live goals and also select your resolution to the highest quality over here. So this is very simple. So all you need to do is to just start your live. So click on go live over here, and once you go live, it will start a screen recording, and then your game will be streamed to your followers or anyone who visits your profile. So all you need to do is to just click on go live, and it will start the screen recording. Now go ahead and then select your game and start playing the game, and it will live stream it on your TikTok account. So with this, you can live stream all your mobile games on TikTok. I hope this video is very helpful. Thanks for watching, and also follow for more tricks. Don't forget to subscribe and also turn on the notification button so that anytime I upload a new video